Cake Mom, we are going to make some healthy cream cheese cookies. They're going to be gluten-free, dairy-free, and cane sugar-free. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby. This is Zeta. That's Aaliyah. And on this channel, I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. As always, the recipe's in the description below, but here's everything you will need for these healthy and delicious cookies. Gluten-free flour blend, oat flour, coconut sugar, eggs, agave, vegan butter, coconut oil, plant-based cream cheese, coconut sugar, baking powder, vanilla, and almond extract. We're gonna start by creaming together our butter, coconut oil, and cream cheese in an electric mixer, the paddle attachment. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add our sugar and agave. Now, you don't have to add agave. We're doing agave because we wanted to keep this cane sugar free, and too much coconut sugar is gonna make these cookies really dark. So we did half coconut sugar, half agave, but you could do all sugar if you want to. Next up, we're gonna add the eggs. We have 2 eggs here. They are room temperature. That's important. Next, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. This is gluten-free flour, so I wanted to make it a little bit more healthy, so we're gonna add some coconut flour and some oat flour as well. You can stick with just gluten-free flour if you would like to. Last, we're gonna go ahead and add our flavors. We're doing vanilla and almond. You can add whatever flavors you would like. These could be lemon cookies, orange cookies, maple cookies, but we're going with almond. Before we can bake this, we do need to cover and let this chill for about an hour to kind of firm up all of the cream cheese and butter in there so that we can bake it and they won't just spread out. So go ahead and cover it with plastic wrap and chill for an hour. Okay, so our dough has rested in the refrigerator. We actually left it in there for a little bit longer than an hour. Anyway, now we're gonna roll and bake these cookies. We're gonna bake them at 350 degrees, so go ahead and preheat your oven. Now we're gonna scoop them out onto a cookie sheet that we have lined with a Silpat. You can also use parchment paper. To spice up these cookies, we thought it would be really fun to make a few into thumbprint cookies, which if you haven't made those, you literally make a thumbprint in the middle and fill it with jelly before you bake it. So we added some raspberry jelly to our cream cheese cookies, and look how beautiful they are. Alright, there you go, our healthy cream cheese cookies. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you would like to see more videos like this one, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And question of the day, what is your favorite cookie? Let us know in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys next time. Have a great one.